The silver sharpener on the right is from the Sharple store, and the red one is from the Flying Deer store. I'm going to show you these two side by side. They're both nice little kitchen knife sharpeners. They're nice and small. You can stick them in a drawer if you'd like to after you're done using them. Both of the suction cups work really good, really good. As long as you put them on a surface that's stable, you don't have to try to hold it down with one hand as you're sharpening with the other. They're staying on there. The Sharple sharpener, you can sharpen regular kitchen knives, serrated kitchen knives, not like Rambo knives or anything, but something in the kitchen. And also it has a sharpener for scissors. It also has a ceramic sharpener for honing as well. The red one has one sharpener down the center, and that's going to be the same for most kitchen knives. And also these both work well on fillet knives too. And also like a basic pocket knife. I would say that they're mostly for your basic kitchen knives that you have, that you cut vegetables with, meats, those types of things. If you need to do a quick 30-second sharpen just to fine tune your knife, these are perfect for that. They both come with simple instructions. For somebody who has never used a knife sharpener, you should be able to start using this within a few minutes after reading the instructions. All you got to do is just let the weight of the knife do its thing. You just pull one way. You don't have to saw back and forth. It's really easy and simple. Just takes a few swipes and you'll have a sharper knife. Have yourself a great day.